guys, welcome back to another video. And this morning guys, I'll just be talking about corn, how to pollinate corn, if you guys are interested in that. So up here we got the tassel, which is the male part, and it contains the pollen grains. These things, the antler, these little things contain the pollen. And this is the silt, which is the female part. So what you guys would do to fertilize it is, you guys would need to transfer the pollen grain from the tassel to these at the ear. These at the ear, each one is connected to an individual kernel, which is attached to the cob inside this. As you can see, this is very young, so this is not fertilized. So I'll be fertilizing it. So you can either shake it down like this, or you can just pop it off and tap it on this. Alright guys, you can just tap it like this. You might not see it, but guys, some dust are falling off it. That's one way to pollinate the corn. And it's kind of difficult, you know, for me holding camera to do it. So I'm just gonna pick one and show you how to do it. To cut off one of these. And I'll do a follow-up video guys to show you the progress. As you can see, there's dust. You can see guys, look at dust on it, but you have to look closely. And as I said, each silt is responsible for an individual kernel on the cob inside.